I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This afternoon I want to share with you out of the book of Luke chapter 8 and verse 16. Jesus is speaking here. No one, when he has lit a lamp, covers it with a vessel or puts it under a bed, but sets it on a lampstand, that those who enter may see the light. My brother, my sister, Jesus Christ has called you and I to be light in this world. We cannot hide our light in this time, my brother, my sister. If you are ashamed of proclaiming Jesus, then you will hide your light. But Jesus says, no one, when he has lit a lamp, covers it with a vessel or puts it under a bed, but sets it on a lampstand, that those who enter may see the light. My brother, my sister, does people see the light in you? Does people see the light of Jesus inside of you? Or are you hiding your light and ashamed of proclaiming the gospel of the Lord Jesus Christ? Mark chapter 4 and verse 21. Jesus speaking here again. He says, is a lamp brought to be put under a basket or under a bed? Is it not to be set on a lampstand? My brother, my sister, a lamp is to be set on a lampstand so that everyone can see the light. So when they enter the house, they can see where they are walking. So you and I, Jesus says, you are the light of the world. So we need to shine our light in this dark world, my brother, my sister, so that people can see the light. They can know where to go. They can know that they need to surrender their lives to Jesus because they see the light in us, my brother and my sister. Jesus says in Matthew chapter 5 and verse 14, you are the light of the world. A city that is set on a hill cannot be hidden. Verse 15, nor do they light a lamp, put it under a basket, but on a lampstand, and gives light to all who are in the house. My brother, my sister, let your light shine in this dark world and this time that we're living in. Jesus has called you and I to be light to this world. This world needs the light of Jesus. We are living in a dark and an evil world. And Jesus has called you and I to be that light in this dark world. Not to hide our light. Don't hide your light in this time, my brother, my sister. Allow the light of Jesus to shine in and through you, so that everyone who comes in contact with you will see the light.